All right, guys, I'm here to go over lesson 3 for the week of April 13th through April 17th. Lesson 3 should take you through the end of the week, and it should probably take you approximately 3 days. So we are going to start with our genetic disorder project this week, and your goal is to be able to research and brainstorm information for your genetic disorder infographic, and we will get to that here in a few minutes. For your engage question, the goal is that you watch through the video, go through the lessons for the day, and then you are going to, for your directions given in the video for your response, today I would like for you to find me a funny picture of a llama and paste it into this response. Llama is spelled L-L-A-M-A. So that's what you put here, funny picture of a llama for me. And then for your actual objectives, you have 3 different steps that you need to do. The first one is to read the directions for your genetic disorder infographic project. So when you open this, it should open up for you guys to make a copy so that you can go through and highlight if you need to. But you are actually not going to be turning this document in at all. It's just the directions. It gives you all the information that you need in order to be successful with the project. So you're going to go through, read through the directions. I've also created a video that I will go ahead and link into the assignment so that you guys can watch that. That kind of talks about the whole thing. But your first step is just to read through this information. And then once you're all done with that, step 2 is you are going to pick a genetic disorder that you want to research from this sign-up sheet. So when you open it up, what you should see, you should be able to edit this. If for some reason you can't, let me know and I'll make sure that you guys have edit access. You will see that along the side here, there are about 55 or so different genetic disorders. That's what all these different names are. So you're going to go through, see if there's something that interests you. If you're not quite sure, go ahead and just start researching a couple of them here and there. Once you find one that you think is interesting, you'll go ahead and type your name in here. So for example, if I wanted to do my infographic on male pattern baldness, I would just type in Miss Curran. Now, you'll see person 1 and person 2. There can be up to 2 people researching the same genetic disorder. This is not your partner. You are not working together. You are working separately. This is an individual assignment. However, just because of the fact that we don't have enough genetic disorders to go with each person, I'm allowing up to 2 people researching the same thing. Please do not erase anyone else's name. I will be able to see that in the edit history. So please make sure that you are just going through typing your name and remembering your genetic disorder. So that's step 2. So step 1 was to read through the directions. Step 2, sign up for a project. And then step 3, this is the sheet that you will actually be turning in at the end of the week. So this is the genetic research and brainstorming sheet. So you want to make a copy of this for yourself. My computer is running a little slow because I have way too many tabs open. This is split up into a research section and a brainstorming section. So the research section is meant to be done in your own words. This is where you will actually do the research about your genetic condition. So you'll type in your name, you'll type in the condition that you picked, and then you'll go through and do research about it. You should not be using Wikipedia. You should be using reliable sources. I have posted links in Google Classroom to help you guys find reliable sources, but the Mayo Clinic is a really good source. There's a bunch of good sources out there that give you solid research-based information. You're going to look up all of these different things. Once again, I go through this in more detail in the actual video for the project, but you'll go through and do your researching and your brainstorming section. And then once you're all done with this, you will go ahead and change this to anyone with the link can comment. You'll save, and then you'll copy that link. You'll go done. You'll go back here, and you will paste the link here and click enter to create a hyperdoc for me. Then the last thing that you'll do is watch this short video that goes through and it explains 5 things that make an infographic effective, and you'll explain those 5 things here. And then once you're all done, you'll hit submit in Google Classroom, and that is it for the week. So that's all that I have for you for lesson 3. Please let me know if you have any questions.